Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore a powerful tool called Apache Airflow, which helps businesses manage their data workflows more efficiently. Apache Airflow is a powerful tool originally developed by Airbnb and later open sourced under Apache Software Foundation. It's designed to help organizations orchestrate and manage complex data workflows and pipelines efficiently. Let's explore its key features and components in detail. The very first feature of Apache Airflow is organizing workflows. Think of Airflow as a traffic controller for your tasks. It arranges them in a logical order called Directed Acyclic Graph or DAGs, ensuring everything flows smoothly from one task to another. One of Airflow's standout feature is its ability to define, schedule, and manage workflows as directed acyclic graphs. These DAGs represent the sequence of tasks and their dependencies, allowing for flexible workflow design. The second feature of Airflow is managing tasks. Airflow provides a variety of tools to perform tasks. For example, you can run scripts, execute simple commands, or even work with databases, all with just a few clicks. Airflow provides a rich set of operators for task execution, including Bash operator, Python operator, and SQL operators. These operators allow users to perform tasks like running shell commands, executing Python functions, and interacting with databases seamlessly. Third feature which Airflow provides is it simplifies the complexity, which means even if your tasks depend on each other, Airflow handles these dependencies automatically. Airflow automates task dependency management based on DAG structure. Tasks can run sequentially, in parallel, or based on specific conditions, enabling complex workflow logic without manual intervention. Airflow comes with user-friendly dashboard where you can see progress of your tasks in real time. It's like having a clear overview of what's happening behind the scenes without diving into technical details. Airflow offers a web-based user interface for monitoring workflows, task execution status, and historical run information. It also integrates with logging systems like Apache Log4j. When you have really big tasks or lots of data to process, Airflow can spread that workload across multiple computers. This means things get done faster without overloading a single machine. Having Airflow is like having a universal translator that connects to different parts of your data workflow seamlessly. Airflow is highly extensible and integrates seamlessly with various external systems and services. From databases to cloud storage providers and messaging queues, Airflow's custom operators and hooks can enable smooth integration across the ecosystem. In conclusion, Apache Airflow is a game changer in the realm of data engineering and data science. Its robust features, including workflow orchestration, task execution, dependency management, monitoring, scalability, and integrations, make it a go-to choice for organizations aiming to automate and streamline their data pipelines. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more simplified tech insights. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.